Despite attending schools and large coaching classes, do you still find your concept unclear and your doubt mounting? You're not alone. The problem? Overcrowded classroom means less personal attention, leaving many students just like you feeling lost in the crowd. Welcome to ClassPe, Pune's first classroom where learning is personal and interactive. Here we study in a conference-style setting with exclusive 8 students per batch. Our dedicated small class size ensures that your teachers knows every student personally, recognizing their strengths and weaknesses. With the latest digital study material accessible through the ClassPe app, along with printed resources and personalized teachers' notes, your learning is comprehensive. Doubts? They are welcomed and resolved on spot during the class and dedicated weekend session, ensuring you're always on track. Our tech-enabled classroom support a dynamic learning experience, complete with quizzes, leaderboards, and recordings of every class. Available anytime for review. We give a ClassPe improvement promise, which is CIP, where we guarantee improvement or a 100% fee refund. Step into ClassPe, where education is not just about filling seats, but also about enriching minds. Enroll today and transform your academic journey. Join ClassPe now.